Good day, welcome again to another episode of Learning with Excel. Today we'll be looking at how to rearrange data in different order. Like if we have data that is arranged in a horizontal manner and we want to rearrange it in a vertical way, so we'll learn how to do that today. For example, this data is arranged horizontally, that is, the headings is in the row. So we want to make the heading to be in a column instead of row. So we want to transpose, that is, change it. There are different methods, different ways to do it. We can use the transpose function. So we come to where we want equals to transpose. You see this is already in transpose. We can click tab. Then we highlight the array that we want to transpose. Straightforward. That's it. So we have our data in the horizontal rearrangement. So easy, so straightforward. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you.